Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. I've missed you guys so much. If you're new here, I'm a licensed esthetician. I own skinbeautifulrx.com, and my YouTube channel is all about bringing you all of the knowledge I can find about skincare brands so that you can treat your skin effectively at home. So today's video is a very exciting one because it is all about one of our newest brands to skinbeautifulrx.com, which is 8th Day Skin. I've been personally loving quite a few products from this line, and more importantly, I really love it because it's not just another skincare brand. This science is rooted in regenerative medicine as well as skin biology. Oh my God. Their formulas really focus on the thought that aging skin behaves like tissue that's been traumatized. It's stuck in low-grade inflammation or a chronic wound state. Not enough repair, too much inflammation, and a loss of communication between skin cells, which makes skin and everything about it unstable. So they created 8th Day Skincare to basically fix all of these issues. So they aren't bullying the skin back into better behavior. It actually reestablishes an environment for your skin to thrive. Think of 8th Day Skin as a biological reset, not a cosmetic correction. Okay, let's kind of talk a little bit more about wound and wound healing so you can better understand the science that goes into this brand. When we look at the biology of aging, we see the same hallmarks in non-healing tissue. Keratinocytes slow down, slow their turnover. Fibroblasts become sluggish and eventually senescent. Collagen production drops. Lipid organization weakens. And all of this leaves our skin barrier vulnerable. While all that's happening, mitochondrial activity declines, ATP production fails, and the skin enters a state of inflammation. And basically, cytokines that are supposed to rise briefly and then fall quickly actually linger far too long. This is why 8th Day Skin builds everything around the model of wound care. Particularly though, the phase of inflammation. Particularly though, the phase of where inflammation revolves. Because fibroblasts are highly active, collagen type 3 is being laid down, and the barrier, our skin barrier, is rebuilding with a much more organized lipid structure. So their philosophy is simple. If you can replicate that environment, the skin can then return to behaving like younger tissue. The next thing that makes them extremely unique is their use of peptide-rich plasma. At the center of the line is their patented peptide-rich plasma. It's an extremely complex blend of growth factors, peptides, cytokine modulators, amino acids, and molecules that regenerate. And all of these are active and give off biochemical signals during tissue repair. Now, most skincare uses peptides or isolated single pathway actives. 8th Day, however, uses a network signaling system, meaning it activates multiple pathways in our skin simultaneously: fibroblast proliferation, keratinocyte renewal, collagen synthesis, elastin support, and inflammation control. What makes this complex and stand out is the molecular diversity. Instead of one peptide sequence or growth factor, it contains a full spectrum from what you'd see in early wound healing regeneration. This is where fibroblasts, keratinocytes, and immune cells communicate seamlessly. And when we can restore cell communication with the pathways of healing, you restore the behavior of youthful skin. So when you use 8th Day Skin, you are going to get firmer skin, reduced inflammation or no inflammation, clarity, smooth texture, complete resilience, and a happy environment of your skin. Now, let's dig into a few products. And I'm going to start with the very first one that I personally love. I have been using this and I'm obsessed with it. I hate saying that word, but I am. And this is the Reparative Night Cream. So we are taking that sorry it's so messy, I've been using it, but this cream takes that entire philosophy, my cat, what's wrong baby, and applies it into a vitamin A therapy. In this product, they are using retinaldehyde, a derivative of vitamin A, and it's the closest precursor to retinoic acid. So it's potent, fast converting, and delivers meaningful anti-aging results effectively, but with no irritation. You're gonna get tretinoin-like results without any skin issues. But what makes this formula truly advanced is how they have stabilized the retinol. Most retinaldehyde oxidates, loses potency, and is irritating if it's not encapsulated or has a delivery. So 8th Day does encapsulate the retinaldehyde. They buffer it with biomimetic lipids. They pair it with peptides, other supportive cofactors, so the skin can recover while receiving the benefits without the damage response. The results of using this product is collagen stimulation, pigment reduction, and a much smoother texture with bouncy firmness. You will have no dryness because of those biomimetic lipids. You will notice if you have any redness in the skin, that will go away, and your barrier will just feel good even when you use this product, which is a vitamin A. That's because retinaldehyde actually strengthens and thickens the skin while it hydrates. It is the perfect way to correct. The next product we're going to talk about is their flagship product, and I'm going to have to put a photo of it here because I created a monster with my husband who now loves skincare. I let him use it, and now it's hidden. So that means I will never see it again, and it's now his. So if you need to know kind of like what it looks like, it looks very similar to Epicutis lipid serum, which again, all about lipids and hydrating that barrier. However, it is a much thinner consistency and like no tackiness or stick. And still can use about 3 to 5 drops. And this product is called the Regenerative Serum. And it is the purest expression of their philosophy. It has the highest concentration of their peptide-rich plasma complex. And you can see the impact on your skin almost immediately when you use it. And that's in terms of hydration, fine lines, texture, and overall radiance. This serum is so cool because it does really great things deep in the skin. It actually helps to reorganize collagen fibers as we age. They kind of like start to knot together, and we want nice, smooth basket weave collagen, and this helps to straighten it all back out. So kind of imagine like a Easter basket, when those baskets start to, like the weave starts to come out, starts to break off, you know, you kind of start to lose everything it's holding. This serum puts those weaves back together and makes it nice and tight so nothing can slide and nothing can fall out. It's also going to soothe chronic micro-inflammation and support ATP production. ATP is what energizes our skin cells, making them better communicators. And we're not just stimulating turnover through irritation. We're actually supporting skin cell turnover through restoration. This is going to make a massive difference in the overall quality of your skin, especially if your skin is inflamed, if it's fragile, if it's thin and mature, or if your skin has just been over-processed. It's also great if you're recovering from procedures. I even love it for skin that's showing early signs of atrophy, because this serum strengthens the skin tissue, and helps to rebuild that extracellular matrix in a way that most other products just can't. Changes will be visible, and the skin isn't just temporarily plumped, it's actually functioning differently from when before you started using it, and it has structurally changed. Another product I have been using and loving is their ultra rich intensive moisturizer, and she is thick and she is rich. They also have just a regular intensive moisturizer, but if you are super dry, you are gonna love this. Of course, it's not just another moisturizer, it is packed with lipids, it's packed with cholesterol, ceramides, and fatty acids, all that are working at the level for the perfect dermal and barrier environment. It has a multi-cellular lipid structure, and it's arranged to mimic your skin's natural organization. It's gonna basically rebuild your skin barrier like if you were doing it all by yourself, except with greater stability and more efficiently. Most over-the-counter moisturizers just soften the skin. This moisturizer and other medical grade moisturizers change the skin's resilience. We're affecting the lipid integrity in your skin directly in the stratum corneum, decreasing water loss and increasing resistance to irritation. This is also a great product to use with prescription tretinoin if you get red, peely, or dry with prescription retinoids. 8-day skin care works so quickly because it removes the biological hurdles and obstacles that stop your skin from repairing itself. We aren't stressing the skin out with acids or other retinoids that can be irritating. We are healing these pathways. We are calming inflammation, we are waking up fibroblasts, reorganizing lipids, we are increasing ATP output. 8-day skincare doesn't just force transformation, it enables it. And that's why this brand stands out, and I had to carry it on skinbeautifulrx.com, and also why my skin has been loving it. Let me know below if you have any specific questions, and I'd love to help. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.